How to watch live sports on StrymTV. Step 1. Open your App Store on your iPhone or iPad and then install the StrymTV. It's free to download but it needs playlist links to work. Step 2. Open your app and then tap the plus icon or add or select playlists, and then you can now paste the M3U playlist link. You can find free M3U playlist link and updated sport playlist by searching Stream TV Live Sports M3U 2025. And then step 3, paste it and then tap done or save and wait for the channels to load. You will now see categories like football, basketball, boxing, and many more. Step 4, you can now select any live event or sport network to start streaming instantly. Step 5, to avoid buffering of videos, connect to a strong Wi-Fi network and close your background apps. And after that, step 6, you can bookmark or favorite your channels so you can easily access them for future matches or pay-per-view events. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.